Where is the fuse box located in the 2020 GMC Acadia, and what does the fuse diagram look like? The 2020 GMC Acadia has two fuse boxes, one under the hood and another inside the vehicle, typically near the passenger footwell. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2020 GMC Acadia protects essential vehicle components, such as the engine, cooling system, and ABS. It contains high-power fuses and relays. Easy access is provided for maintenance and troubleshooting. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2020 GMC Acadia controls interior electrical functions like power windows, lights, and infotainment. It features low-power fuses for various cabin components. The panel is easily accessible for fuse replacement and diagnostics. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2020 GMC Acadia controls electrical functions for the rear seats, liftgate, and rear lights. It contains fuses that protect the power supply to these components. The block is designed for easy access during maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.